Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I was gifted with these little cupcake tins. They come 30 in a package, but not only are they cupcake tins, they have the little lid that fits on them, and these are wonderful for gifts. You can put them in your air fryer to bake your cupcake or whatever you're cooking in it. They go in the freezer, a child's backpack or lunchbox, just a special little treat, weddings, just special events. They're so much fun, and they come, and the neat thing about it is you can put a sticker on top to seal it. One of the stickers goes right across the top, and it looks like they were professionally made, but they were made by you. You can put fruits, vegetables, whatever you want. It comes with the individual little forks. They're already pre-wrapped. So today I'm going to make some cupcakes, and I'm going to take them to my friends who are elderly and can't get out, and I know they're going to love them. So we'll see the finished product, and it looks like it was baked professionally. So let's get started baking. My cupcakes are done. They are iced. They are sealed. We even have a fork to go with it. You can use these for outside events to keep the bugs away. These are just beautiful for display. Each person can come get their cupcake or whatever you have in your container. Again, they can go in the air fryer, they can go in the oven. But how adorable is this? Everybody can come get one. It's your baby shower, your wedding. It's all done for you, and it looks professionally done. I hope that you'll give them a try and make memories with your family, make memories with your children, your grandchildren. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.